So we at HashGrid innovated by providing utility NFTs for telecoms subscribing and for electricity energy NFTs. All right. So you can buy your airtime data if you're in Nigeria via NFT using Hash Pawa NFT, and also for your electricity as well. Now, why would you want to do that? Is because for every purchase you're going to get 30% interest. That's bonus electricity in Naira or bonus airtime in Naira after 12 months. All right. So it's kind of like you're doing some DeFi with your electricity. All right. Now, also NFT allows us to offer specific or random benefits. The NFT allows us to offer benefits randomly or specifically to different people. For example, if you're a store owner and you have people just coming to buy stuff from your store, there's no way to know who was the 10th person to buy that wine from your store, or who was the 100th person to buy that can of milk. Right? There's no way of knowing that because you didn't tag them, and you can start delving into receipts and bank statements and debit cards information to know who was the 10th or 100th person. I mean, it's just going to be ridiculous and even be criminal. But with NFT, if you pass through, if you pass all the purchases via NFT, then the buyer can always verify themselves, identify themselves and say, hey, this is my NFT 101. I was the 101st person to buy something from your store. So by doing this, we are introducing the new way of shopping, which is via NFT, and that way we can build a lot of rewards on this innovation. All right. So if you want to enjoy free airtime, free electricity next 12 months and other benefits that we're going to add, because we are definitely determined to make this a new way of shopping, a new way of paying for your utility bills. All right. So just know that we're going to be heavy on rewards for those who want to enjoy rewards. All right. So I'm logging on HashGrid in this account, and I'm going to go on marketplaces where all the good stuff is going on, and I'm going to scroll down to, you can see we have several marketplaces category, and I'm going to scroll down to Hash Pawa. You just use Hash Pawa Airtime and data. All right. So just click on that and click on Explore, and it's going to show all the NFTs that we've listed for Hash Pawa Airtime and data. All right. Now the minimum bid is 500 Naira. All right. 500 HashGrid Naira. So you buy hash on the menu on the my wallet section, and you get created with HashGrid Naira or hash. All right. Now that means, so let's just click on okay, how come we have two HPA 33? Anyway, I'm going to find out about that. But let's go ahead and okay, I'm sure the actual NFT ID is different anyway. All right. So let's go ahead and click on HPA 19. All right. So this will be the 19, but now that we didn't line them up in order. So any number you buy is just going to be the number. All right. So HPA 19, click on bid now, and here you see it. You see the about this asset says this NFT represents a purchase of airtime/data to your mobile phone. Email support@hashpawa.com, your phone number and full name, and you'll be sent your airtime purchase amount. All right. And then you earn 30.3% extra annually. All right. So just one time extra, not forever, just one time extra. So the more airtime you buy, the more extra airtime you're piling up for yourself. So every purchase, so let's say you buy airtime every week, let's just say 1,500 Naira. That means you are preparing for about 500 Naira extra airtime after 12 months of that NFT purchase. All right. So we start with 500 Naira because 500 is the minimum airtime to purchase. So let's just imagine you want to actually buy 5,000 worth of airtime. So you just go ahead and click on the box where you have the hash, and you type in 5,000, and then you click on place a bid. You click on OK, and you sign the transaction. So if you're going to buy 1,000 worth of airtime, you're going to just do type in 1,000. So you can see that we've successfully placed a bid on that, and that means that when we see this and you contact us, we're going to expedite this sale, all right, and we are going to send your airtime. So just go ahead and email us, and we expedite it. Make sure the auction shuts down in 1 minute, and then we'll be able to have you send us. Now in this airtime, you have to actually send us the money because we are the one selling it. So mark the creator address. It ends in U9H, all right, and subsequent upgrades. And the seller address as well. Yeah, seller address is important. U9H, all right. So so subsequent upgrade is going to actually have our alias showing as well, all right. So that you just know that it's VineCross selling you this, selling you the airtime. So in this case, you actually have to allow the transaction. That means click on withdraw amount. So click on withdraw button. When you see your NFT in the expired section, because we have shut down the auction, and then we get the hash naira, and then we send you your airtime. All right. So this involves some correspondence. All right, but you get 30%, in bonuses for a little bit of slow buying. All right, but the faster you email us, the faster we respond to you, and then make everything happen in 30 minutes or less. All right. So let's go back and let's go to bid on the electricity. So we go on Hash Pawa Electricity, click on explore, and yeah, so like I said, even though the numbers may be looking funny, it doesn't mean anything. When you click on bid now, you're going to see the actual number is 500 hash. So all right, yeah, so some airtime NFTs were mistakenly listed under electricity. It doesn't matter, as long as you see the seller address is the same, it means we're the one who did that. So let's just go a little bit further. And yes, we have the electricity in here. Bid now, hash power number 9 is 1,000 naira minimum for your hash power electricity. That means you can only buy a minimum of 1,001 naira worth of electricity. Let's just say you want to top up your meter, and this is for those that have independent, self top up for their meter. All right. So if you control your purchase of your meter, of your electricity meter credits, then this is for you. All right. So let's just say you want to top up 5,000 naira worth of, or let's just say 10,000 naira worth of electricity. All right. So let's just say you do this every 3 weeks. All right. Then instead of 1,001, you just go ahead and do what you want to do. Click on 10,000. Click on the field and enter in 10,000 and click on place a bid. Click on OK. Sign the transaction, and everything will go to the expired page shortly. Okay. All right. So now you bought 10,000 naira worth of electricity. The same thing. Send us an email, support@hashpower.com. Send us your meter number, your full name, your state, and your city, and then we'll go ahead and buy the electricity for you and send the code to you, and then just hold your NFTs. All your NFTs are going to be showing on your My NFTs section, all right, under tools. So all your NFTs are going to appear under the tools section called My NFTs. So as long as you have evidence of holding the NFT, then 12 months down the line, you'll be able to receive 30% extra in naira for electricity. So if you bought 10,000 naira electricity, you get about 30,000 naira. Sorry, 3,000 naira 3,000 naira for extra electricity for yourself. All right. So that's where it works, and this is a bonus we are doing for a limited amount of time. So go ahead and enjoy this free electricity. So if you're buying electricity once every week, just know that you're piling up bonuses that will give you free electricity for maybe extra 2 months. You understand? So all right. So enjoy this while it lasts, and we hope to find a way to continue doing this for you guys. We'll do it, and the more you guys hop on this, the more we can keep on doing this. All right. So because the more of us, we can actually then do a deal with an electricity distributor and then enjoy ourselves forever. All right. So let's get on this. Get your electricity, get your airtime and data via NFT, and enjoy the experience of this. All right. So shortly we're going to see. We're going to check the expired section, and we're going to see the NFTs showing under expired NFTs, where you will then go ahead and click on withdraw and have the funds sent to us. All right. And then when the funds move from the smart contract to our own account, then we supply you your electricity code and your airtime will be credited to your account. All right, guys. All right, guys. So remember, we actually, bidded on the airtime and the electricity, and we asked the seller to expedite, which the seller has done. So we're going to go back to marketplaces. Let's start with electricity, Hash Pawa Electricity. Click on Explore, and we should see our auction under the expired section. All right, and then here it is, and then we can go ahead and click on withdraw. So it's still going to show the starting bid amount, but when you click on withdraw, then you see that our 10,000 naira is the current bid, and you can see the address over here is the current winner, and you can see that we can go ahead and click on withdraw. So when we go ahead and click on withdraw button, then we just sign the transaction, and the money moves to the seller automatically. All right, and then this auction will then move over to the sold and withdrawn section. All right, so in about 10 minutes it should move over to the sold and withdrawn section, but right away the money has already moved over to the seller, and then we'll go ahead and credit your you send us an email, and then with your full name, address, and meter number, and then we'll send you the meter credits. Same thing with electricity, same thing with the airtime. All right, so let's go to the airtime NFTs, Hash Pawa Airtime data, and explore. And go down over to the expired section and click on withdraw. And we can go ahead and do the same thing. Sign the transaction for withdraw, and the money moves over to the seller, and then we go ahead and credit you your airtime. So this is how you buy airtime and electricity on HashGrid. Let's start doing that. Start enjoying how to use Web3 to buy your airtime and start stacking up lots of electricity and free data and airtime. So imagine just buying airtime and data for over a year or for 5 months, 6 months as an NFT. You have other rewards. We're going to partner with restaurants. We're going to partner with movie theaters for you to have some discounts just with your airtime and electricity NFT. And then you have 30% bonus coming to you after 12 months of each purchase. All right. Thank you for watching.